Hey Goals, it's Selena. I'm going to be showing you how I do my press-on nails. I do acrylic nails, but this press-on is just, I do to so I could just do them really fast. But this is how I do them. I'm starting off with sorting out my nails. And yes, I did get these on Wish. They were like $5 and they're already the coffin shape. And I'm still gonna be filing them down. I'm just buffing my nails and pushing back my cuticle with the little nail machine, and I'm using the Kiss Glue Speed Max Speed glue. I believe that's like $3, so it's really cheap and actually works really well. And I did not trim like my actual nails because they're already short enough. Like I did that beforehand and I couldn't find a nail clipper, so that's why you didn't usually in videos like this you would see people trimming their nails and like filing them and stuff, but I already did it and I couldn't find a nail clipper, but my nails were already short. But yeah, I'm sorry if you guys can see my stomach. I'm legit in shorts and a tank top because it's fucking hot and I live in the desert, so it's hot. Like even when it's fucking the sun is down, like even at nighttime it's hot. And I'm sorry you can't see me shaping my nails, but the nails are coffin already, but I like making mine slimmer and more coffin shape. I don't know if that makes sense, but you guys will see in the next clip. And I'm sorry you can't see me, and the next clip will show better. And I'm sorry if this video is a little too fast. I kind of did it in a time lapse. And yeah. Okay, so I'm using the Kiss Gel nail polish. I don't know what color it is. I don't think it says, but honestly it's just a nice like mauvey pink-ish, kind of like grayish tone. I don't know, it's really pretty. And yeah, I'm just painting them. And yeah, honestly I got that at the Dollar Tree for $1, so I had to get it, to be honest, because it was so pretty and it works so well and it lasts forever. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, click that like button and hit that notification bell, and yeah, bye. And my rude self forgot to say thank you for watching. Bye.